Hi guys, welcome back to Araceli Chan DIY. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how I did my DIY photo shoot for Milani's 1 year. So she's not technically a year old yet, we still have a few days, but I wanted to make sure I had her pictures in time for that day. In all honesty, I wasn't going to make a video specifically for YouTube, but because I did share with you guys my DIY newborn photo shoot, of course I'm going to share her 1 year photo shoot. The biggest part of this video is to show you guys or give you ideas on how you can create your own backdrop, whether it's for pictures or for an event. For example, I have Milani's baptism coming up in about a month, and a lot of the stuff that I'm using for this photo shoot, I am going to be using as her decorations. What do you guys think of this rose gold color? I don't know why, but like as of lately, I'm loving this color, and this is going to be the color theme that I use for Milani's baptism also. So it's going to be a rustic glam, and I think this photo shoot, it goes perfectly with it, and I can't wait to share the pictures and also to display them at her reception. I did use several of my own DIYs, but anything else, I will try to link most everything in the description box down below. This canopy that I'm hanging up is actually a canopy that I made for Milani's nursery, which I will link above as well so you can check it out. And I am using the fur rug that I have under her crib, and these are just pieces that I bought from Joanns. What's really cool about these paper lanterns that I'm using are actually lanterns that I used for our wedding reception, so it makes it a little extra special. And these crates are actually storage boxes that I use in her nursery, and as you can see, I'm really using all the stuff that I already have at home. I didn't really have to go out and buy anything, so I mean, of course, if you have stuff like this laying around, perfect, you don't have to buy it. Alright, so after the last finishing touches, this is the final setup, which I think is absolutely adorable, and because I forgot to show you what I use for my lighting, I'm using my newborn photo shoot as an example. Minus the ring light, I did use these umbrella lights, and then also am using a Canon rather than a Nikon.
You want you put your pretties on, Mama? Uh-oh. Put your necklace on. Hi, look. You want to put your necklace on? Here you go. Put it on. Put it on.
How about you? Hold this.
Milani. You're not being a princess. You want the boob? Mama?
Alright, so I have literally invested in so much equipment, but I've not invested in editing software, so I am still using the editing software that comes on my Mac. So I'm going to kind of show you guys what I do here to edit my pictures. This has very basic features, but I do what I can, and so right now I'm just going to go ahead and use the retouch, and I'm going to adjust the circle size, and the little metal things that are on the lanterns, I didn't like how they looked, so I went ahead and just kind of erased them off of there. Now there's not a whole lot I can do as far as changing the color themes and everything like that, but I do want to play around with it, so I make it nice and bright and vibrant so it's not, you know, it's offsetting the darkness in the room. Even though I used a very nice flash that did not come with my camera, I still want to go ahead and adjust it. So as you can see here, I made it a little bit brighter, and then the setting that I did there made the pinks stand out a little bit more. And then I went on to the filters and I just try to figure out which one I like the best. I do like to stick with a theme, so with this photo shoot I stuck with a dramatic theme. And then once I see the look that I want, I can go back in there and edit the colors a little more. Okay, so funny story here. All right, maybe not so funny, but interesting. I knew exactly what I was going for and what look I wanted, and I thought, where am I gonna get Milani a pearl necklace? So I actually went to Walmart and I bought this one for $4, and that little bracelet that she's holding in her hand is actually not a bracelet. It is a totally dazzled napkin ring, and it fit her little wrist perfectly, so of course I decided to put them on there, and it just gave her that extra look she needed. So before I get to the final shots of this photo shoot, I just kind of wanted to reminisce a little bit on Milani's newborn photo shoot, and I just can't believe that it's already been almost a year since I've done this, and it makes me a little emotional, but I'm really happy that I get to share it with you guys. I also wanted to point out that the little headband and shoes she's wearing for today's photo shoot are the ones that she wore when she was a newborn. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some ideas if you do your DIY photo shoot or even DIY backdrop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me any comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys want to do look at the entire album for this photo shoot, I would love to invite you guys to my Pixie Set website that I will link below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!